Don't go behind you. Keep it where you can see it. Over this way. And not near the fence. Aidan. Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in this video, Aidan and I are going to fly the DJI Mavic Mini. Last time we went camping, Aidan flew this drone in an open park and he did very good. So we're going to take him to our local school today and he's going to try and fly it. Today is Sunday. The weather was bad yesterday on Saturday, so
it rained all day.
It rained all day. He's right, so we could not get it in the air. So we're going to try and get it in the air, and I want to show you some footage of Aidan flying the drone. So what do you think, buddy? You're going to have fun flying the drone today?
Yeah!
So we got 2 full charged batteries, and I think 1 partially full battery to work with today. So we're going to check this. We're going to check the other battery to see what kind of a charge it has on it. But when I checked them yesterday, we had 2 full batteries that you can mess with.
Yep.
And believe it or not, Aidan does fly it on sport mode, which is pretty fast, but he knows how to stop it and make it go forward and backward.
And spin around.
And spin around, right? You know that.
Yeah.
We just need to make sure we're in an open field.
If it dries up, I can ride my skateboard today, Dad.
Yeah, that's right. If it does get dry, as you guys can see, the ground's wet. So we told them unsafe to ride the skateboard in the rain.
I got mine yesterday. I think it was Sunday.
Right. What kind of skateboard did you get?
A
Tony Hawk.
Yes.
All right, guys. Well, we are at the school, so we're gonna find the open baseball field to fly this drone. So it should be a lot of fun. And there is Aidan going up to the field. And by the way, guys, I am recording on the Nikon A900. It is daylight out, so we should not have any low light issues on this camera. Let's hope not anyway, right? Because it is kind of cloudy, as you guys can see. Well, actually, there's no clouds at all. It's supposed to be about 72 today, which isn't too bad. Doesn't look like there's any sun coming out. As I said earlier, the grass is wet, so hopefully I can try and get the lawn cut, because we are in Pennsylvania and it's going to rain the next 2 days.
It is bigger.
And you guys can see this baseball field is looking quite mushy right now, so
that field over there.
we're going to have to be careful getting this thing not in the dirt. We can't get the drone in the dirt.
Next year I am going to play baseball, which the first year I played there, like me and Daddy played practice over there.
Yeah.
Here was a real game.
Yeah, Aidan used to practice right over there. I'll zoom in, right where that shed is. Focus, focus, focus. All right, we're not going to focus, so we will focus out. So Aidan used to play at that field right there. Good job, buddy. Whoa. Doing a good job. Don't go behind you. Keep it where you can see it. Over this way. And not near the fence. Aidan.
Why does it look like it's far away on the camera?
Don't keep it so high. Keep it in front of you, okay?
Good.
You're doing a good job. Aidan had a little bit of a issue where he almost got it to that fence and had me a little worried. I tell Aidan, if you can't see it, then you can't fly it. And you have to make sure you can see it all times.
How do you like rotate it like I used to do?
How do you rotate it?
Yeah. I don't remember how.
Let me see. You do it like this.
Oh, so it's basically just like that.
Great. Remember, don't keep it behind you, keep it in front of you. We don't want it near that fence over there. Aidan's doing good. can't even keep up with the camera. It's got it in sport mode. Bring it this way a little bit more, buddy. Towards the right. The other right. Yeah, keep it away from the fence. Away from the fence. That way. Good job.
When I do that, it wants to go down somehow. Let's see how it's going down.
I'm trying to get to go up a little.
Yeah.
There you go.
Dad, you can spin it this way too.
I know. Good job.
That.
Yeah, don't keep it in the ground.
I'm not trying. Daddy, can you buy me a new drone?
Buy you a new drone? You want one like this, huh? This one was $500.
Oh, and also you've been wanting it. You could have got it for Christmas. Did you get it for Christmas? Whoa, that jumped down quick. I was just kind of scared of dropping it down. Ow, oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You make me nervous when you do that front push. If they don't stop, it'll go crashing. Whoa, 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 hold on, stop it for a minute. Here's something over there. Here's something. Let me look at the controls. Look good.
Can you do it now? Can you drive it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, guys, Aidan and I both had a successful flight, but my SD card on my Nikon A900 went dead on me, out of memory. So I'm recording on my iPhone 6s, so I apologize if this quality isn't that good as my Nikon. Well, actually, to be honest with you guys, I think my iPhone 6s probably has better video quality than the Nikon A900. We're using this iPhone because that's all we have, and Aidan wants me to introduce you to his channel, and I will leave a link to his channel in the description of my video, and I will also include a link to my daughter's channel as well, which I'm going to start doing in all of my videos. In the descriptions, that when I post a new video, I will include a link to both of their channels as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Aidan got to show off a little bit his skills in flying the drone. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always guys, later.